Hello, everyone. Get ready for a magical journey into multiplication with Sally and Billy.
Absolutely, Sally. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of multiplication, and it's going to be an exciting ride.
Multiplication is like casting a spell on numbers. It's a way of combining them to reveal their hidden power.
Spot on. Let's take 6 multiplied by 4, for instance. Picture it as having 6 enchanted groups of 4.
So, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. 6 groups of 4 yield the magical total of 24.
See, multiplication is like weaving mathematical spells to unveil the wonders within. It's pure magic for numbers.
Now, let's transport ourselves to a garden filled with rows of magical flowers. Each row blossoms with the same enchanted number of flowers.
Imagine 5 rows, each with 3 flowers. How many flowers do we conjure in total?
Voila! That gives us 15 magical flowers. Each row is like a charming multiplication enchantment.
Exactly, Sally. Multiplication is a versatile magic wand, perfect for counting objects or solving real-life conundrums.
Now, let's embark on a practice adventure together. I'll present a multiplication challenge, and you can join us in unraveling the magic.
Here we go, friends. Let's conjure the answer to 7 times 2. What magic number do we summon?
That's it. 7 times 2 reveals the enchanting answer of 14. Excellent work.
You're truly mastering the art of multiplication magic.
Marvelous work, everyone. You've delved into the enchanting world of multiplication with Sally and Billy.
Thanks for being part of our magical journey today, friends. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and keep having a magical time with maths.
Stay tuned for more magical maths adventures with Sally and Billy.